Today I'm going to be making a Pelmet board on a larger scale. Right, now the width of the window where the board is 98 inches. So this wood only came up to 8 meters, no, 8 feet I think it was. So what I had to do is I had to add a little bit onto it. So I had to add 2 inches on, so there it is, and glued it on with some adhesive tape, that will do, or whatever glue you've got. And then I cut out, because this is going on the ceiling, then I cut out the shape, the curve of the cornice. So one is going on that side and the other on the opposite side. Mirror image. And what I'm going to do again is I'm going to glue them together, but so that it is able to bend. So I've got it bending against itself, or I can flip this and have it bending this way where the tape is. I think that's what I'll do. Yeah. So the other side, that's where I'm going to put the wadding on. And the wadding, these wood here, I've got 3 large Pelmet boards to make. There's the wadding. So I'm going to really thicken it up to make it padded. I'm going to fold it back on itself. So this is what I'm going to do today. Right, now here is the second Pelmet board I'm going to do. And as you can see, the length of the wood when I went to the shop and had it cut for me is 96 inches long. So this Pelmet board, the center of it is 297 centimeters. So I've got to join that one as well. And then here at the corners, I've got a triangle fitted in so that when I put the tracks up, it will go over. So I've turned that because this was a U-shaped right angle slotting. So I've changed it to that for the sake of the comfort of the curtains going around it swiftly. When I get to the customer's house, I will show you it before, if I remember. And this one here, goes up to 200. So 297. So that's how much I need to cut extra for this side. And because it's a long window, I'm not going to have the wood cut symmetrical, because it's going to be underneath the wadding and no one's going to see it. So the join is going to be right there. Okay, right, so let's get on with it. As you can see now, I've got 3 Pelmet boards. This is the front window, living room, the back window, bay window, living room, and this enormous one is the dining room. Now these are both large rooms, and then you will see everything later. So tomorrow I'm going to wrap this with wadding, and then Monday I will do the fabric, because I'm going to allow the glue to dry, because it's one thing I do not want to get is glue on my customer's fabric, because this is too expensive to replace. Now what I made sure I did with this one is on the edge of this, I made sure I butted up a wood here to make sure it's absolutely straight at the edge. Yeah? Now when it goes like this, it doesn't matter, because it's going to fold back on it. Each one of them is going to fold, and that's what all these are about. And as you can see with this one, That's going to be the width of the window. Yeah? Okay, so see you tomorrow. As you can see, it's got dark outside. There's my home. I'm going home. I'm in the garden doing my work. There was something I was going to say to you. I can't remember exactly. Oh, yes. Yes. On the 14th of this month, I am doing a class for 6 people, and it's swags. It's how to cut out swags, how to do the measurements, and as well how to sew it up. So it's going to be a 3-day course from 10 till 4:30. Please book and come along. And if you miss this one, I will put up another one. So depending on how the response is, I will keep on doing the lessons. Whatever it is you want me to do, you can come along here and have a lesson.